guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can tell by the title, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to achieve this Valentine's Day makeup look. It's very simple, nothing too complicated. So yeah, if you guys want to see what I did to achieve this look, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I went and did my eyebrows and set and concealed and set my eyelids. So now I'm gonna be going in with the James Charles palette, and I'm gonna be using this purplish, this pinkish purplish color right here, and I'm just gonna use that and put that in my crease and blend it up. So for this, the brush I'm gonna be using is the M431 brush. Okay, so now in the James Charles palette, again, I'm taking this bright pink and I'm going to be blending it from my crease up towards my eyebrow. Okay, so after I go in and I blend out the whole thing, now I'm gonna go in and do a cut crease. So to do the cut crease, I'm using the Morphe M124 brush. This is what it looks like. And I'm just gonna be taking my Tarte Shape Tape concealer, and I'm just gonna use that on both of these and just do a cut crease. Okay, so after you go in and do the cut crease, I'm gonna go in with the Morphe 35i Icy palette, and I'm gonna go in and take this baby pink right here and then just use that to set the concealer. Okay, so after I go in and set the concealer, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back in with the same purple we used first for the crease. So this one right here. And I'm just going to go back in towards the outer corner and just kind of blend that towards the inner. I'm just gonna go in and blend everything out with the Morphe M441 brush, and mainly focusing on like the outer corners, like right here, just making sure that everything is blended out evenly. so after I go in and blend everything out, I'm gonna go in and do a winged eyeliner. Okay, so after I go in and do my eyeliner, now I'm gonna go and do the rest of my face off camera and then put on my lashes, and you guys will see the final result. Okay, so off camera I did my whole full face and I added lashes to complete the whole eye look. So this is what it looks like. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I actually really like this eye look. If you guys want to see any more eye looks similar to this or just any other looks in general, just comment below. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.